Hey there guys, Sean with XLR8 Roofing and Construction here in Lake Helen, just on the edge of DeLand. We've got a metal roof going on here, a 26 gauge exposed fastener metal system. All custom made by us in our shop, all custom flashing, drip edge, trim, everything. I'm gonna turn this camera around, show you what we got going on. So guys, here we are. I'm standing on the back side of the house. We're on a beautiful property here, tucked back in deep down a dirt road in the middle of the woods, as I like to say. You can see the majority of this house is very steep. It's actually a 12-12 pitch, which is a 45-degree angle. We've got a porch on the back side of the house and an identical one on the front of the house. Those are a lower slope. So we've got those all done. We've got this garage all fully completed with our ridge metal, all of our metal on the rakes, which is what goes up and down, the little A-frame. All new drip edge. Guys are taking their time. I'll zoom in just a little bit here. We've got all the guys harnessed up, tied off. You can see a couple of their anchors right above my finger here. They're tied off and they're on the other side working. We've got Carlos here, the leader of our crew. He's doing all of our detail work, all of our flashing. We've got this back porch done and the front porch as well. Here's our trailer with all our materials. Like I said, everything you see on this trailer was made by us, manufactured by us in our own shop. We've got all of our metal panels, all of our flashings, all of our trim, all of our drip edge, everything here on site ready to go. What's important about us making them ourselves is, for the most part, turnaround times. Yes, materials are a little difficult to come by at the moment, but we can get any material in any color that you would like. We can custom bend it to your house, make it work perfect for you. Here we are on the front side of the house. See, the garage is all done. We got the guys up there harnessed up, 2 on the roof, 2 on the ground, cutting and feeding the panels to them so they can keep moving nice and smooth. Used to have shingles on it before, and we converted that to metal. So big upgrade for this homeowner. It's going to completely change the look of this house. And like I said, for this property, and you can see this property is absolutely beautiful. All of this is the homeowner's property. There's a lake behind us, behind the back of the house. Beautiful property. It's going to look perfect for a place like this.